Hi guys, welcome back to Dad's Bearded Gaming. So my Pokemon cards have finally arrived. So I've got the Venusaur and Blastoise V Battle decks. I got the Lucario V Tin, the Mew V Tin and the Slowbro V Tin. I'll open one now with yous. I think I'll do the Lucario. Just move these over to here. Right, and I'll just get started. So I've seen some decent pulls from these tins, so hopefully, we'll see a decent one today. So there's the Lucario promo card. That is really cool. Just get a sleeve for that. There we go. So we've got that one. There's the promo card. And then we get 4 packs. We've got, move this out the way, Vivid Voltage twice, Sword and Shield, and Breakpoint. We'll start off with Breakpoint. Sorry guys, I do struggle with these packs. So we've got a green promo card. And we'll do the card trick. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Must have done it wrong. So we've got Pangoro, Heatmare, Dunsparce, Durant, Psyduck, Fair Throw, is that? Ducklet, Esper, Phantom, and a reverse hollow Staryu. Right, I'll put that into there. Go straight into Sword and Shield next. So we've got another green promo card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we've got Energy, Hitmonchan, Great Ball, a Galarian Liloon, Galarian Ponyta, Cottony, Scorbunny, Silcobra, a Yamper, a reverse hollow Energy, and then a Galarian Rapidash. Put that reverse hollow into another sleeve. Right, Vivid Voltage. So we've got a white and green promo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Do what? Aromatic Energy. A Hero's Medal. Tutel. A Riolu. Chimcho. Nincada. Voltorb, Reverse Hollow Whopper, and a VMAX Full Art Alligator. Yeah, that one. But yeah, that's a decent one. Nice pull. First time I've seen a reverse hollow Woobat as well. Right guys, sorry about that. Video cut out at the end then, but still got this one to open with you. Vivid voltage. So there we go. We've got another green promo card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. Right, there we go. So we've got Green Energy, Seb Striker, Coating Energy, another Heroes Medal, Execute, Woobat, Beldum, Blitzel, a Milcery, Reverse Hollow Zekrom, that is very cool, and then a normal Barraskewda. Yeah, there you go, that's the good pull. Yeah, so a couple of good ones there from that one. Hopefully the other tins will be better. But yeah, I really like that one though. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll do the others with you very soon. But yeah, so there we go guys. And then we got the Lucario as well. Throw that there. But yeah, thanks for tuning in guys. Like I say, I will do the other ones with you soon. Tell your friends about me. Subscribe to my channel. And like this. Thank you. See you all soon guys. Bye.